Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your online privacy or bypass restrictions securely, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an OpenVPN server using the OpenVPN app. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional VPN ready to protect your connection and give you unrestricted access online. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is to create an OpenVPN configuration file. This file contains all the essential details for your VPN connection. To start, open your browser on your phone or computer and type UDP Custom into the search bar. Once you press enter, look for the official UDP Custom website in the results. Click on it and ensure you're on the correct page before proceeding. On the home page, locate the three small horizontal lines in the top right corner, commonly known as the hamburger icon. Click on it and a menu will appear. From there, select SSH Servers and then choose OpenVPN from the submenu. Now let's create an account. You'll see a simple form where you need to enter a username of your choice. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot, and then click on the Create Account button. In just a few seconds, your account will be created. Once that's done, download the configuration files for your preferred protocol, TCP, SSL, or UDP. These files will be saved in your Downloads folder, so make sure to remember their location. Also, note down your username and password, as you'll need them later. Next, we need to set up the OpenVPN app. Head over to the Google Play Store on your device, search for OpenVPN, and download the app. Install the latest version. It might take a minute, so be patient. Once the app is installed, launch it from your home screen. You'll see the home interface with an option to add a URL or import a file. For this tutorial, we'll import the configuration file you downloaded earlier. Click on the Upload File button, then select the Browse option. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the configuration file. It will be imported in just a few seconds. Once the file is imported, paste the username and password that you created earlier on the website. After entering the credentials, click on the Connect button. At this point, your VPN connection will start and you'll be securely connected to the internet. That's it, your OpenVPN setup is complete. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are now ready to use your OpenVPN server for secure and reliable browsing. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy browsing.